How to edit Notebook LM video. All right, so your first step is generating the content itself. So this is how you go about editing. You first have to add a source, which I have done. Just click on add sources and get your source material. That way you can now easily generate a video. So where we have video overview, this is where you simply generate your AI videos. So click on it and you can select the format you want. If you want an explainer video or a brief video, you could go with any of these options. You can also edit the language being used by clicking on the selector and selecting a language you'd like to make use of. Now you can choose your visual style like an auto select or custom, classic, a whiteboard video, anime, watercolors, retro paints, paper crafts, anything you want. I will just keep it on auto select. Now here is where the main editing begins. You can simply customize your video using a simple AI prompt. All you need to do is just enter what you want the AI host to focus on during its generation of the video, and then simply click on generate and your video is done. Now the second option of actually editing your video is to simply import the video from the overview here. Once it's been generated, you import the video into a video editor. You could make use of video editors like CapCut, VN video editor to simply edit your videos. Other than that, you can just add stock footage. When you open up your browser and simply search for stock footage, you would most likely find a variety of stock footage you could use on your Notebook LM videos. And then all you need to do is add captions. So captions are really easy to add on your video editor. And then you could add zooms and motion blur and music and any sound effects that need to be added. And then once you're done, you export your videos. So that's basically how it works. Just get the videos from the video overview section and then simply edit them using your CapCut software here. And that's about it.